Hi friends, in this video we will learn how to resolve the data analysis option is not showing in Excel while performing hypothesis testing. So friends, here you can see the data analysis which is already showing because already I have enabled this option. So before moving ahead, first I will disable this option, data analysis option, and then I will re-enable it to clarify any doubt and ensure everything is working correctly. So to enable this option, for that here I need to click here, call file menu, and after that here you can see call option, need to click here, and after that here you can see this add-ins, and after that here you can see Excel add-ins, and need to click here go button. So after that here you can see this call analysis ToolPak. Just I need to uncheck mark, and I need to click this. So here you can see that the data analysis option which is already disappeared. So now I'll re-enable data analysis option. So for that what I have to do this again, I need to click on file menu, and after that here you can see called the option, and after that add-ins, and after that here you can see called the go button. Just click on here, and after that make sure you check mark this box, and after that just need to click on OK button. That's all. So once I click OK button, it is again appear. Here you can see this. Okay, data analysis. So this is how you can enable this data analysis option. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video. So if you like this video, so please subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Bye.